we wanted to spend a little time talking about this workshop that we're doing together and sharing with everybody about what's coming up and why we're doing it.
So many reasons.
Well, first off, the reason why I'm doing it is because I love working with Cassandra, and we were just talking about some ways that we could work together to do something fun with art, and also to explore this area of interest that we both have, which is around change. What do we want to do with our lives, and what are we becoming and shifting into? That's why I wanted to do it.
I also wanted to do it to make something real with you, with Heather, and real to share with the world, and to share our unique process and ways of thinking about change and ways of thinking about how we want to give space for people to come together, and then sharing the things that bring us joy. So movement is a really big part of that for both of us, and all other types of art making and dialogue and understanding how groups work together. Every little piece of what we're doing, I feel like, is a reflection of how we're changing and growing. And so it's calling in people who want to be in our changes with us, as well as us be with their changes at the same time.
Yeah, and I'm as you're saying that, Cassandra, one of the things I'm thinking about is the changes that we both have been undergoing since we've been working together. Like, our conversation first started, goodness, over a year ago, thinking about, well, I was in Seattle and COVID just happened, and I was trying to figure out how to get my dancing going and consulting, and you were like, I'm interested in change because things had shifted with work for you, and we started a conversation about it. And I don't want to share all the fun stuff that has happened since we started talking, but what did we first do together?
You helped me start a podcast. And that podcast is now actually, as of yesterday, I have shared the trailer for the podcast. So it's pretty remarkable to be in partnership, talking about change, working on specific projects, and then seeing, not just seeing them, being in the midst of being in it with you, and doing all of it virtually or over the phone too.
Yes, and since we started working together, I moved back to Idaho, got my own place here. I've got this amazing space that I didn't think I was going to have in Idaho. I thought I was going to be traveling everywhere, and I now have this dance studio and this garden, and I built a labyrinth, and all this stuff just started coming and shifted, and I've just been in all of this change and wanting to share it. It's been really fun to share that with you. We've been sharing pictures and videos, and I want to share it with other people that live here. And we decided, like, let's do something together where we can have both, where we're like sharing things virtually. I wanted to open this up to allow people to come and dance and move and gather here in this place with me as well. And Cassandra, you've helped me so much with just making that vision come, that just the inspirations and those ideas and those desires, like, just come out, like it's happened, because we've been working together to try to figure this out, and all of a sudden it's happening.
It is. It's real. And it's happening very soon. It's happening on Saturday, June 5th, noon to 3 p.m. Pacific time, 1 to 4 p.m. Mountain time. You can attend virtually or in person in Boise, Idaho. What else shall we share about the actual nitty-gritty?
Oh, well, so we're going to take some of the things that we've been doing together, and we're offering that for those that are going to come participate. So we'll do some inquiry around change and what that means for us individually, and what the process is. We're also going to be doing some movement, as we've already alluded to. That's something that's been part of every time we get together, we dance together. So we're going to move together to help with transition and do some art. That's another thing that we've done together. And so we want to do that with anybody that comes to participate. What do you want to grow? Like, what's the core of you? How do you want to bring that out into the world? We'll do that as a group and together, all in 3 hours.
All in 3 hours, and making sure that there's connections amongst the people who are virtual, amongst the people who are in person, and between virtual and in person. So we're hoping to offer a way of getting to know other people who are in the midst of changes that are similar or different, or a mix of both probably, and being able to learn alongside other people who are questioning and being curious about their own changes.
And that's been a big point of this, is that mix of people. So we're trying something new here. It's been important because we didn't want to just go back to the way things were, where it's, if things are opened up wherever you're at, that you just go back to just being with the people that are in person. Like, that there's been a huge benefit to be able to connect virtually with others and to stay connected. So we're experimenting, how do we make that happen? So we hope you join us in person.
Yeah. Or virtually. And if you are feeling a call to join us, you can join at the Eventbrite link that we'll share along with this video. And we're offering sliding scale pricing, so whatever amount you wish to give is abundant.
Thank you. Please come.
Thank you.